Project Insight has a client login feature. You're looking at the client home screen, which is a combination of our default work list that team members use, as well as the project overview screen that project managers use. At the top, if you have assigned any tasks to your client, they'll see them, the recent ones up here, and all of the items that they have been assigned. So if you send them a task or you send them an approval or any kind of item that's assigned to specifically to a client will show up at the top. And then below that is a list of any projects that you've decided to share with your client. What's great is you can decide to share a couple projects and keep one not shared with them. So it's all configurable, what they can or cannot see. In this case, I'm going to go click on the client implementation project, and I'm seeing here an overview of the percent complete. I've chosen on this project to share with them the top level summary tasks so they can see the progress of your project from a summary task level. And then I've also decided to share with them all of the completed tasks. You can, again, these are options. You can decide to share one of these options, just the summary tasks or just the completed tasks, or you can decide not to show them. You can also share with them issues where they can log new issues. So if there's a problem with the project, they can send something in for you to look at. And then I've decided to share all the risks on this project because some of your clients might need to see what the risks are. But again, it's configurable whether you decide to show risks or not. And then also in this project, I've shared files. They can upload their own files into here or download files. So that way you're on the same page. And then I've also shared all of the comments on there for the statuses. So these are all configurable choices that you can make for your clients. Another as well as one more thing that you can do is you can share reports like a cross-project Gantt chart as well. So you can share out a report for them. In this case here, I am sharing this cross-project Gantt chart with my client, with all of the projects in here. So this is a report I made in Project Insight that I shared specifically with this client that maybe gives them a little bit different view of things. So that's what's great about the ability to share out reports is that you can selectively create a report in the tool and say, I want to share this one specific report with this client through the normal sharing operations of Project Insight.